Have you ever felt like content creation somehow turned into a second full-time job? You know you should be showing up online, you have ideas, and maybe you've even recorded a few videos or even podcasts. But turning all of that into consistent content feels very overwhelming. If that sounds familiar, then you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Nell Tice. I help business owners and creators, especially those who don't want to live online 24/7, create content in a way that actually feels sustainable. Because here's what I found and learned after years in media and content production. Most people don't have a content problem, they have a system problem. On this channel, you'll learn how to create once and use your content everywhere, simplify video and even podcast production, use AI without losing your authentic voice, and build visibility online without burning out. No complicated strategies, no chasing trends, just real practical workflows that actually work. In fact, after seeing so many creators struggle with this, I built a free tool called Broken Record, designed to help you turn one piece of long-form content into multiple shorter pieces that you can actually use. Because your best ideas deserve more than one post. So if you want content creation to feel lighter, clearer, and a whole lot more doable, subscribe to the channel and let's make showing up online feel simple again. And if you're ready to start right now, you can grab Broken Record in the description below. Create once, repeat strategically, and I'll see you in the next video.